so excited to do this project. I have a couple of ideas here. So I'm gonna have Santa's sleigh on top of a 2-liter bottle. I'm probably gonna hot glue it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this mechanism that I've launched. It's like a little rocket, and I'm just gonna hope that Santa just launches up. So I made what happens afterwards. So he's like soaring through the air. So I think this is a good way to help Santa Claus and stuff. Right here, I'm gonna start gluing on the sides of the sleigh. I have my side here, so this goes good. It's falling. That to touch that. It's starting to come together a little bit. This sleigh is looking good. Santa's gonna appreciate it. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Time for the other side. Got the second one here. I'm gonna start gluing it on so that it's like a sleigh kind of pattern. Putting it on there. Gonna be a little easier than the last one because the last one was kind of hard to put on. This is all bendy and stuff. This one I just plop it right on and it works. Pretty simple. Boom. Sleigh is going pretty well. Got the main sleigh kind of thing right here. Go through the sky like this. Yeah, pretty durable too. It can bounce around and do stuff. It's kind of meant to do that. A little progress update. I have a chair now and like a sleigh. I'm not sure what it's called, like the skate kind of things that they use. I'm going to be adding this one here. So, go right there. I can fix that later. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And now the back. Looking good. Getting quite messy. Put on this apron. It's nice. Progress update. My thing is almost done painting. I painted it red, and it just needs to like dry and stuff. I made a little present here while I'm waiting. Just making sure that the bow like holds in the air. Yeah, pretty nice little present. Just finished. Now I got my red Santa sleigh. It's all ready. I think I'm gonna add some decorations, put a present in there. Yeah, and I think it'll be good. Going on bells on the side of this. Nice little addition. Finally done with the sleighs. It's nice. Santa's got his nice cushiony seat, his present. Got these like sleigh ice skate kind of things, whatever they're called. And it just got all the bells and whistles. Rings, there's like a nice plush thing here. You can see inside, it's all nice and red. Yeah, I like this. So the way it works is when there's water in here and it stood like this, when I pump this, it will come off the cork and go flying through the air, which will help Santa a lot with just like delivering presents and stuff. Delivering this one especially. The best present. It's orange and all nice and stuff. But when it goes forward, it will hopefully go like that, and yeah, it'll work and stuff. So I'm ready to launch it. I'm gonna start pumping. Ew, big moment. Whoa! That was awesome! Wow, that was amazing. And look, it's even standing up. Look at that. It landed in the bush and it's like standing up. See that? That was awesome.